Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Be sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and definitely don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. We are going to be doing my monthly empties. I have a bunch of products laid out right in front of me, hello, makeup, skincare, hair care, a bunch of things, and I really feel that monthly empties are kind of essential so you guys can see and know what products worked, what didn't, what I would repurchase, what I wouldn't bother wasting my money on, and yeah, so this is going to be my monthly empties video, and if you want to know what they are, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. Hair care first. So first we have my favorite shampoo. This is from Head & Shoulders. I feel like I've been sleeping on Head & Shoulders for so long now. I finally got into it and I finally have found my love of Head & Shoulders. I use the one that says the dry scalp care with almond oil. I do a lot of heat styling to my hair, especially with the blow dryer and the flat iron, and sometimes I curl my hair and my scalp can get kind of dry and flaky. So this definitely does help the flakies and dandruff not come around whenever I go to use this. I really like this one. I already have a coupon in my wallet waiting for me because I am actually buying another one this weekend because I ran out and like I missed using it. So yeah, the dandruff shampoo from Head & Shoulders is amazing. I'm still working on the conditioner one, which I definitely think they work hand in hand with each other, the shampoo and the conditioner. So yeah, the dry scalp care is a favorite and I love it. I am really trying to make an effort to really truly go through and use my hair care and my skincare. Try and just go through everything before I start buying new things. So this is from Alterna. This is another shampoo, which is their moisturizing replenishing shampoo, and I gotta be quite honest with you, I was only able to use this about 3-4 times because it is a much smaller jar compared to the big jar, you know, the big bottle that I normally have. And while I was using it, I did like it. My ends tend to get dry from like here down, so it was really good. I really appreciate when brands are paraben free, sulfate free, synthetic free, and alcohol free. I definitely do notice a difference between a like chemical shampoo and a non-chemical shampoo. So I really did enjoy this. I probably won't repurchase this because Alterna can get kind of pricey, but I do enjoy it. I do like it, and it was good. I really love using deep conditioning treatments before I actually get in the shower, and I really did enjoy this. This is from the brand Macadamia, the natural oil brand, and this is the Deep Repair Mask. I really did enjoy this. So if you guys maybe would like to see like my hair care routine, or maybe like products that I like, because again my hair is very dry. If you guys would like to see a video like that, if you're interested, leave me a comment down below. I will gladly film one. I have so many hair care products that I'm trying to go through. So yeah, leave me a comment down below if you would like to see like my hair care routine. So so this guy is actually really good. I eventually do want to buy myself the full size of this. I know this comes in a big tub jar. It did leave my hair nice and soft, very easy to manage. I basically did a generous amount of this from root to tip. Leave it on and put my hair in a nice big bun about an hour to 2 hours before I go to shampoo and condition my hair in the shower. And yeah, I actually really did enjoy this. I actually discovered this brand on YouTube, believe it or not. So yeah, it is a very good mask. Keep looking outside because it is snowing out. And I'm just like seeing if it's sticking, and it's not, thank goodness, because I have to go food shopping later. So this is a brush shampoo from e.l.f. Not my favorite brush shampoo, like brush cleaner, if I'm being honest with you. Not a shampoo, I'm sorry. It's like one of those things you just like spray on the brush and like clean it with like a Kleenex or whatever. It did the job fairly well for the price. Would I repurchase it again? Probably not, because I have my Cinema Secret, which is my holy grail brush cleaner. But the e.l.f. one is good if you are on a budget. I did like it. However, the nozzle on this wasn't the best, because if I go to tip it over, it would leak like crazy. So yeah, wasn't a fan of the packaging. The product itself was good. I think this was only like, I want to say like $3, $4 at the drugstore. So, but yeah, it was good in the meantime. I feel like it's tradition for me to have some sort of makeup wipe in every single one of my empties. And the makeup wipe that I have is from Sephora collection. And this is the Ultra Moisturizing and Brightening Rose Scented Cleansing Wipes. I gotta be quite honest with you, I wasn't a fan of the scent. I like rose scented products, but not on my makeup remover wipe. The scent of this irritated my eyes a little bit, and it kind of stung a little bit, so I was exclusively using these on just my face and using a liquid makeup remover on my eyes. I like the coconut scented ones a little bit better, but the rose one, I mean, it did the job. The actual towelettes were nicely saturated with the makeup remover. It did do the job very well, I gotta admit, but the scent of it I am not a fan of. I will continue to buy the coconut one, or even the fragrance-free one, but the rose one, not a fan. So this is from the brand First Day Beauty, and these are the facial radiance pads, and they were just like little like fabric pads that you basically apply everywhere after your cleanser, and it helps to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love the brand, but this product for my skin and for my skin type and for what I'm looking for, I really didn't notice that much of a difference. I like the brand specifically because it's made for sensitive skin, and it's made without a lot of those like heavy, nasty, crazy chemicals, but the product itself, I really just didn't see a difference. I didn't really see any brightening. Yes, it did help take off any remainder makeup that was left over, maybe from like my makeup wipe or from my cleanser, but wasn't a fan of these. I probably won't repurchase this. I am experimenting with other, you know, wipes and products like this, but this product, not a fan. So I have here the Sephora Instant Depuffing Roll-On Gel, which comes in a nice little white tube, which looks like this. I really like and appreciate the packaging on this. So this has the little like roller little like silver cooling balls on the tip of it, which actually really is nice for that cooling effect, specifically under the eyes. Love this in the summertime. However, the more and more I used it, I felt that I really didn't see much of a difference. The product itself, I just felt like it just wasn't doing anything. It has that like that white gel, not white, I guess you could say clear gel. Gotta pretty much squeeze it out and then roll it on. I like roll-on gels and products like this, but again, the formulation of the product itself, I just didn't see it do anything. So for those reasons, I'm out. I'm watching way too much Shark Tank. So this is from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Glycolic Night Serum, which comes in a cute little jar like this, and I have to say my skin responds so well to glycolic products, and whenever I would go to use this, I immediately felt and saw a difference. Brightens everything up, it tones everything out, makes the rest of my my skincare glide on really easily, and I really, really like this. I am experimenting with other glycolic skincare products, so if those guys fail, I feel like I'm probably gonna go back to this and maybe buy myself a full size of this. I'm working on a couple of these sizes that I already have in my collection, but yeah, glycolic, I love. I have one body product and then the rest is all makeup. So this is the Tatcha Water Cream, which I'm in love with the little baby jar. Like, Look how cute it is. Like, I love the size of this jar, you guys. This is an oil-free moisturizer, and this is just, it just felt like pillows of clouds on my face. I love Tatcha. Their skin products, her skin, like, whole line is just so luxurious and beautiful. The water cream was just so light and airy. Loved it under makeup. I loved it at nighttime. Beautiful product. This is the small jar right here. I know they make a bigger jar as well. Beautiful on all skin types, regardless if you're oily or dry. I love this product to the moon and back, and I will definitely continue to wear it. So, I love it so much. So I went to Colorado with my boyfriend, I want to say 2 years ago, I think, and we came across this really cute shop similar to a Lush with all handmade soaps and body creams and hand lotions. It was called The Soap Shop, and again, it is a handmade store in Colorado, and this is their Deep Therapy hand cream in the scent Sandalwood Vanilla. Nice tub of it. Wasn't really expensive. It was only $9 for this nice jar. Really super affordable, and sandalwood is probably my most favorite scent of all time. I love sandalwood candles and sandalwood perfumes and sandalwood creams and lotions. So this hand cream, I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was using this on my entire body after the shower. So yeah, it was very good. I mean, obviously I used it all up. So if you guys live in maybe Colorado and come across the shop called The Soap Shop, very, very amazing, like mom and pop store, again, similar to a Lush, but way more affordable. Nice all handmade products made without a lot of those like heavy dyes and chemicals. And yeah, that's what I used for the month of January. So this guy actually dried out on me. This is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive, and this lash adhesive actually really is amazing. I love wearing lashes when I apply them, but this guy just didn't really last on me. You guys can probably see in the bottle that it kind of got very gloopy on me. I don't know why. I feel like it should have lasted a lot longer than it did. It was very hard to apply like the last couple times I used it, but it's very strong. My lashes didn't, you know, poke on me no matter what brand I was using, but I definitely need to repurchase this because I miss wearing lashes. Every other glue that I have, I just don't like. So House of Lashes, it's a good one. I have 4 mascaras to share with you, and the first one is from Burberry, and this is the, what do you call it? The Burberry Cat Lashes, and this was a good one. I feel like the wand was kind of flimsy as far as like bendability goes, but the product and the wand itself is very, very good. I like the size of it. I like the shape of it. Gave me a good amount of length and volume, and yeah, it was really good. I enjoyed it. I also have here the Falsies mascara from Maybelline in the very infamous purple and blue packaging. I gotta be quite honest with you, I feel like the first time I used it, because this is my second bottle, I liked it better, but the second time I used it, it kind of fell short. I feel like the wand, I'm personally not a fan of. It really didn't add a lot of volume. I more so saw length than volume, and it just kind of got like, because of the bendability of the wand, it was just kind of tough to get stability around like the roots of my lashes. I feel like there's so many other good drugstore brands out there for mascara, so this one just kind of fell short, so goodbye. This was another disappointing mascara. I feel like there's so many other better mascaras out there on the market compared to this. I love Maybelline. I'm sorry. I know Maybelline is, I mean, it's one of my favorite drugstore brands, but the Lash Sensational mascara, I just wasn't a fan of. The packaging is like, it was tricky to open because of the top of it. I really couldn't get a good grip on the wand itself. The wand, I really wasn't that big of a fan of. I feel like the bristles were just a little too small in my opinion, where it wasn't hooking and hugging every single lash I had. I feel like I had to go over a lot just to get a little bit of volume, and and it just kind of got like icky after a while. I don't know. Wasn't a fan of it, so I would not waste your money on this guy. So sorry, Maybelline. So the last mascara I have is from Covergirl, and I really, really liked this one. This is the Super Sizer mascara in this like jumbo packaging here. The wand itself I really actually enjoyed. Very different for me, and it just gave my lashes a nice amount of volume and length. Like, I like those two combined. I don't just like volume, I don't just like length. I want both in a mascara, and that is what this mascara did for me. Very good. I definitely want to repurchase this again, hopefully soon. Maybe if it's on sale, I'll pick up one again, but yeah, it was very good. It's dried out on me, which was very disappointing, but regardless, I'm not gonna cry about it. This is from Urban Decay. These are the 24/7 Glide on pencils in the shade Black Velvet. This is their matte formulation, which is why it dried out on me. I mean, you guys could kind of see, like, where's the pigment? Hello. I'm not tugging that much on my eyeballs. I'm sorry, Urban Decay. I really like their Perversion formulation, like that other black color, but the Black Velvet, I think because of the fact that it is a matte pencil, it dried out on me like no other. It really didn't last on me the greatest. I felt like it looked good within the first like hour or so, and then after that it just disappeared. So for those reasons, I'm out. It was so disappointing. I don't know how products sometimes get past production and execution. This is from Kat Von D. This is their lightening liner in the shade Jett. I don't understand it, and I don't know why it's even like a product to begin with. It's one of those products where it is a a brush tip applicator where you have to twist it, and then the first couple times when you go to twist it, it like spurts out at you. I just don't like it. Like, I don't know if you guys could see that. I want you guys to really see, like, that's not going on my eyeballs. I am sorry. Like, it just, like, I was trying to demo it actually before, and it just was not a good type of liner. I don't know how this got past production, to be quite honest with you. If I were to recommend one, the Tattoo liner, 100% I'd recommend for you guys. That liner I use on my clients all the time. I love it. I have it. I wear it a lot myself. But the lightening liner, Kat Von D, girl, I'm so sorry. I love you. I use a lot of your products, but this product was just no bueno for me. This is another product that just dried out on me. I had it for so long, and it's just time to go. This is the True Match Super Blendable Crayon Concealer from Loreal. I was using the shade W123, and it just got kind of like dry looking. Really didn't add a lot of coverage under my eyes. Crayon types of products, I just feel, are not the best for my under eyes. Like, I need coverage, and this product just kind of fell short for me personally. The color, I feel, was just a little too dark also for my liking. Really wasn't the best as far as coverage and longevity goes. So yeah, I am gonna throw this guy away. I like their other concealers better, but this one again just fell short. This guy is from e.l.f. I've had this thing for so long, you guys, and it just, again, just needs to go. Makeup expires, and I feel like if I keep something too long, I don't want to run the risk of breaking out as well. This is the e.l.f. Radiance Enhancer. It's like a liquid highlighter in the shade Spotlight. But it is, again, one of those products where you have to like twist it up, and then if you twist out too much, you obviously then can't put it back in. And I feel like it just kind of gets a little like clumpy after a while. The color itself is okay, but not a product I would recommend, and it's just too pink also. I feel like I like the formula, you know, a little bit, but again, it just too much work involved to apply it. I don't know. Wasn't a fan. So those are all my empties for the month of January. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And if you would like me to continue making monthly empties, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!